All right, so very quickly. So this first one's really straightforward. Any polynomial type thing is not too much. You could really wiggle around to be. So this is going to be your u, because it's on the inside. So du is.
Are we doing D?
We're doing.
Okay. So 15x of 1.
So what am I missing? 15. So if I put a 15 here, so there's my du. I better put 1 over 15 there. So overall, I just didn't do a damn thing. All right. Good job, Jeff. What'd you do? Nothing. Good job. So then this becomes u to the 6th du. Look, it's almost too nice to believe that that crap became this. But that is the same form as that. It's exactly the same form. So now it becomes 1/15 of u to the 7th, so it's 3x plus 1 to the 7th over 7.
No, he said this one's like which one? Is that really?
Totally. I was being nice by telling you it was impossible instead of letting you.
Yeah, you need the test on the test so we can figure out if it's impossible.
No problem, I'll do it. This one's another easy one. Do you guys start to see why there's something definitely on the inside and its derivative is on the outside?
Yes. Yeah.
Not exactly, but we don't care. Constants, who cares? So what do I actually need here? You can kind of tell what needs to be here.
3.
Good, a 3. So I put a 1/3 on the outside.
Okay.
So this will be u, and this will be du. So it becomes 1/3 integral u to the 1/2. 1/3.
So it's 2/9
So it becomes 2/9 x cubed plus 1
to the 3/2.
to 3/2 plus c.
Capital C. Sorry, that's what that always says on stupid web science.
Let me see. Is that cool? I mean, I did that sort of fast, but it's exactly the same. And then part C, and then we'll call it a day for now. We'll talk about D next time. So part C, I love part C. You would, Jeff. But you guys will start, I mean, this is just the way you have to do this. You have to do it, you have to do and do and do and start to develop a feel for what you're allowed to do and what's going to work. So you very quickly should give up on letting u be cosine. Because that would be sine. Do you see a sine in there? There's no sine free to put next to the dx to make du. So you got to let it go. So no matter which way you look at it, the inside function is going to be rad x. Right? Which sounds like a Dragon Ball character, but that's all right.
Radix.
Radix, yeah, exactly. It was a Dragon Ball. So if I let u equal rad x, du is 1/2 rad x dx. So I'm just missing. So if I let u be this, I didn't even know which rad x it was going to be. I just did it just to see what would happen. So if I let u be this one, then du will be, I need a what here? 2. So if I put a 2 there.
2 on the top, that's it.
Good, I got to put a 2, not a 1/2. Yes, sir.
Can you please, okay, for the EU, can you move the 1/2 to the other side?
How do you mean? Make this 2?
Yeah, it's 2.
But that's starting to go down a dangerous path, which is what I kept referencing was the other way to do this. And the other way to do this is to always solve for dx. And then just replace dx with this. But then stuff like part E becomes suddenly possible because you can replace dx with something. I don't know, you guys are not going to understand what I'm trying to tell you, and it's because you haven't even learned it yet. So you have to trust somebody who knows what the hell they're talking about. This will, if you do this, it seems nice, and people that are taught this, they love it because their teachers make it work. But when they get to my class and they start doing real life freaking integrals with all kinds of problems in them, they start doing something that they shouldn't be able to do. Because you can always solve for dx. And they're like, oh, let me just put that there. But if you do this, you're like, I know exactly what I have to make show up. And if I can't make that happen, I know I can't do it. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So don't start going down that path. You could. That actually is completely legal. And if you always do it correctly, there's nothing wrong with it. But it just opens the door for all kinds of mistakes. Yes?
Why did you have the 2 On the 2x in the bottom.
Because what was the derivative? This, right? So what do I need? In order to get du to show up, I need this. I didn't have that.
Okay.
Now I do. That's all. So I have 2 integral cosine of u. Because everything else is du. So you get 2 sine u, and u was rad x. No negative sign, right? Derivative of sine is cosine, and the integral cosine is sine. And that's that changing gears thing. Alright, so we'll finish that up on Thursday. Have a good Wednesday off, whatever you're going to be doing. Alright. Some of you guys will be honoring our veterans in a really weird way. Playing in a post-apocalyptic world. So, I'll be right there with you.
Okay. Did I set this up right? Because I checked on my calculator and I get like 3.60 something.